everybody, welcome back to another train video. Now, I recorded a train at about 8 or so this morning, and hold on, I'm coming to get my stuff. I'm getting closer a little bit. But about 8 or so this morning, I recorded a train going through that was supposed to go through last night that I had mentioned. Now, usually that same train that comes through about 9:30 my time will come back through at about 1 a.m. when I'm already sleeping to come back through. And to make up for the time that it went through this morning, it is now coming back through now because it's about 4 hours after it goes the one direction, then it will switch over. And here's its whistle. Gates to go down here just in a moment. Now, this should be the same train unless it picked up or dropped off any cars. But here she comes now.